Are you tired of repetitive tasks eating into your precious time? Do you dream of a world where your work practically does itself? Imagine boosting your productivity, freeing up hours, and focusing on what truly matters, all by simply leveraging the power of AI. In the next few minutes, we're going to dive into the revolutionary AI tools that are not just changing how we work, but are automating everything. This isn't just about efficiency, it's about transforming your workflow, unlocking new potentials, and giving you an unfair advantage in today's fast-paced world. Stick around, because by the end of this, you'll know exactly how to harness these technologies to streamline your life and catapult your success. The landscape of work is undergoing an unprecedented transformation, driven by advancements in artificial intelligence. From complex data analysis to routine administrative duties, AI is stepping in, not to replace human ingenuity, but to augment it, making our efforts more impactful and less strenuous. This isn't science fiction, it's the present reality. We're seeing tools emerge that can write compelling marketing copy in seconds, analyze vast datasets for hidden insights, manage customer inquiries around the clock, and even design intricate graphics with minimal human input. These innovations are democratizing high-level capabilities, allowing individuals and small businesses to compete with larger enterprises. The core benefit is undeniable. Time saved, resources optimized, and human potential redirected towards creative problem-solving and strategic thinking. But it's not just about what these tools can do. It's about understanding how to integrate them into your daily operations to achieve tangible results. We're talking about a paradigm shift where automation becomes the backbone of modern productivity, allowing for a level of scalability and precision previously unimaginable. ChatGPT. Perhaps one of the most widely recognized AI tools transforming communication and content creation is ChatGPT, developed by OpenAI. Its power lies in its ability to understand and generate human-like text across a myriad of topics and styles. Imagine needing to draft an email, write a blog post, brainstorm marketing ideas, or even debug code. Instead of staring at a blank screen, you can simply pose your request to ChatGPT and within moments receive a coherent, contextually relevant response. For content creators, this means overcoming writer's block and generating drafts at an unprecedented pace. Marketers can rapidly develop ad copy, social media posts, and campaign slogans, testing different variations almost instantly. Businesses can use it for internal communications, policy drafting, or even generating quick summaries of long documents. To use it effectively, focus on clear and specific prompts. The more context and detail you provide, the better the output. For example, instead of write about marketing, try write a compelling 300-word blog post about the benefits of AI in small business marketing, targeting entrepreneurs, with a call to action to visit our website. The benefit? Drastically reduce time spent on initial drafts and ideation, allowing you to refine and personalize rather than starting from scratch. It's important because it democratizes high-quality content generation, making sophisticated writing accessible to everyone, irrespective of their writing prowess. Zapier. While ChatGPT handles content, Zapier is the ultimate orchestrator for automating workflows between different applications. Think of it as a bridge connecting thousands of web apps, allowing them to communicate and perform tasks automatically without you lifting a finger. If you've ever wished that when a new lead comes into your CRM, it automatically sends them a welcome email and creates a task for your sales team, Zapier makes it happen. You create Zaps, which are automated workflows that consist of a trigger, an event in one app, and an action, a subsequent event in another app. For instance, a trigger could be new email in Gmail, and an action could be create a new row in Google Sheets, or send a message in Slack. This tool is invaluable for sales teams, automating lead nurturing, marketing departments scheduling social media posts, customer support teams logging inquiries, and virtually any professional who uses multiple digital tools. The key to using Zapier effectively is identifying your most repetitive multi-app tasks. Start small with 1 or 2 zaps and then gradually expand. The benefit is immense time savings on administrative tasks, reduced human error, and ensuring that no critical step in a workflow is missed. It's important because it creates seamless, interconnected systems from disparate applications, freeing you to focus on strategic work rather than manual data transfer. Grammarly. In the realm of communication, clarity and correctness are paramount. Grammarly, an AI-powered writing assistant, ensures that your emails, reports, presentations, and any other written communication are polished and professional. It goes far beyond simple spell checking, offering suggestions for grammar, punctuation, style, tone, and even conciseness. As you type, Grammarly provides real-time feedback, highlighting potential issues and suggesting improvements. This is crucial for anyone whose job involves writing, from customer support agents drafting professional responses to executives preparing crucial reports. Even native English speakers benefit from its advanced suggestions that can refine nuances of tone and phrasing. To use it, simply install the browser extension or desktop app, and it will integrate seamlessly with most writing platforms, including email clients, word processors, and social media sites. The benefit is immediate improvement in written communication quality, saving you the embarrassment of typos or grammatical errors, and ensuring your message is always understood as intended. It's important because clear communication is the bedrock of effective collaboration and professional credibility. Jasper, formerly Jarvis.ai. Taking AI content generation a step further than general language models, Jasper is specifically designed for marketing copy and long-form content. It's built on top of advanced AI, trained on billions of articles, making it exceptionally good at crafting persuasive copy for various marketing channels. Whether you need compelling ad headlines, engaging blog post outlines, product descriptions that sell, or even entire blog posts, Jasper can generate high-quality content tailored to specific templates and tones. Its boss mode allows for continuous writing, essentially acting as a co-pilot for authors and marketers. To leverage Jasper, you select a template, e.g., AIDA framework, product description, blog post intro, input key information about your topic and target audience, and let the AI generate several options. You can then iterate on these, guiding Jasper to refine the output. This tool is a game changer for digital marketers, SEO specialists, e-commerce businesses, and content agencies. The benefit is significantly accelerated content production, allowing you to scale your marketing efforts without proportionately increasing your content team. It's important because it empowers businesses to maintain a strong online presence and engage audiences with fresh, high-quality content consistently. Otter.ai meetings are an indispensable part of work, but taking notes can be distracting and laborious. Otter. AI solves this by providing AI-powered voice transcription services. It records conversations, whether in person, virtual meetings like Zoom or Google Meet, or uploaded audio files, and transcribes them in real time. What makes Otter truly powerful is its ability to identify different speakers, summarize key points, and even extract action items. This means you can fully engage in discussions without worrying about missing crucial details. For project managers, sales teams, educators, and anyone who regularly participates in meetings, Otter. AI is revolutionary. You simply connect it to your meeting platform or record directly. Post-meeting, you receive a searchable, shareable transcript, often with highlights and summaries, allowing for quick review and follow-up. The benefit is heightened meeting engagement, accurate records, and significant time saved on manual note-taking and distributing summaries. It's important because it transforms spoken information into actionable, accessible text, improving collaboration and decision-making. Beautiful.ai. Presenting ideas effectively often requires visually appealing slides, but not everyone has graphic design skills or hours to spend on formatting. Beautiful. AI is an AI-powered presentation maker that automates design, ensuring every slide looks professional and adheres to best practices. Instead of manually dragging and dropping elements, you input your content, and the AI automatically adjusts layouts, imagery, and text formatting to create a balanced and aesthetically pleasing slide. If you add more text or an image, the design intelligently reflows. This is incredibly useful for business professionals, consultants, educators, and anyone who regularly creates presentations. It minimizes the time spent on design and maximizes the impact of your message. To use it, you select a smart template, input your content into designated placeholders, and let the AI do the heavy lifting of design. The benefit is consistently high-quality, visually engaging presentations created in a fraction of the time, boosting your professional image and clarity of communication. It's important because it democratizes good design, allowing anyone to create compelling visual narratives without needing specialized skills. Surfer SEO. For anyone involved in digital marketing and content strategy, appearing high in search engine results is critical. Surfer SEO is an AI-powered tool that analyzes top-ranking content for your target keywords and provides data-driven recommendations to optimize your own content. It tells you exactly what elements you need to include: optimal word count, relevant keywords and phrases, NLP terms, heading structure, image count, and even backlink opportunities. This removes the guesswork from SEO. Content writers, SEO specialists, and digital marketing agencies use Surfer SEO to ensure their articles, blog posts, and landing pages are not just well-written, but also perfectly optimized to rank. To use it, you input your target keyword, and Surfer SEO analyzes the top 10 search results, generating a comprehensive content editor with real-time scoring as you write. The benefit is higher organic search rankings, leading to increased website traffic, leads, and sales. It's important because it provides a scientific approach to SEO content creation, making it easier to compete for visibility online. These are just a few examples of how AI is automating fundamental aspects of our work lives. The key takeaway is not just about adopting one tool, but understanding how to strategically integrate these intelligent assistants into your daily routines. Start by identifying your most time-consuming, repetitive tasks. Then, explore which AI tools are designed to tackle those specific challenges. Experiment, learn, and iterate. The future of work isn't about humans competing with AI. It's about humans collaborating with AI to achieve unprecedented levels of productivity and innovation. Don't get left behind. Embrace the automation revolution and empower yourself to do more, better, and faster.